Hey guys, so today I'm going to fix a problem with my pickup. Now, this is the 2008 Toyota Tundra. A while back I went to Walmart and I picked up this cool little, it's a wireless charger for my cell phone. I just stick it on there and it starts charging. It's really cool. Got a little touch sensor on it. Problem is, I don't have anywhere in here to really set it. It won't fit on this part like it's supposed to. Like, it just will not stay. As soon as I hit a bump, it just falls right off.
That's some bad design.
Yeah, well, it works out good sometimes, but what I've been doing is sticking it in my ashtray. And it rides fine, but eventually the vibration, it comes out. So I've decided I want to do something different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out, design something on Tinkercad, 3D print it. I thought about putting something in here, but I think I might just go with something that slides into there and just take the ashtray out. I don't know. Yeah, that would probably be doable. Just maybe something that slide into there would probably make it a lot easier. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go out there and get it figured out and 3D print it and come back to you here shortly. Except that thing doesn't fit in the direction I want to fit.
Oh, whatever. Nobody's gonna know. You can still prove the point.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
You can still prove the point the first time around.
Actually, you know what? It just fit.
It's probably gonna weld itself in there.
Okay, guys. So this is what 3D printed. Got a little thumb screw set up. Along with this, it's not the prettiest. I actually kind of pulled it down a little bit into the bed. I figured a little flat spot on there was better than just having the thing roll off the bed. And the way it works, this thumb screw just comes right up and through here. It'll put some pressure on the top of the compartment, holding it in place. At least that's the idea. The question is, will it work? Let's put it in there, about there. Let's tighten it up. Feel some pressure. That's giving it some pretty good.
That doesn't want to go.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean in terms of it doesn't want to slide out.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah. I'm going to take this off here. Pull that off. Put that on there. I can give it a little bit higher angle than what I did before, which is cool. Let's see. Now, granted, recently got some PETG it came in. Some PETG. I might 3D print it in that first. Let's see how that's not bad. Now, the moment of truth. I'm going to put my charger back in. It's getting hot up in here. Got the windows closed because of the traffic. Okay.
We are sweating alive.
There we go. Come on. There we go. And oh, I like that. I might do a little bit more, add a little bit more something to it for stability.
Yeah.
But still, that's way better.
It's way better than what it ever was. So for a first iteration, that is impressive.
First shot, man. First shot. I like that. That'll work.
I do too.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.